Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the number format and that you have permission to locate it. This avoids legal risk. Once signed into the Locator app, grant location and contact permissions so the tool can query carrier or network data. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. Without connectivity, the lookup stalls. Enter the full number with country code, then choose the search type, real-time ping or historical lookup, so the tool knows which servers to query and why. Now you initiate the lookup. Pick real-time ping for current location or history lookup for past records. As the tool queries carrier or third-party databases, you may need to approve verification prompts. Do so to continue. Watch status updates. Latency indicates network or permission delays. If available, enable map view and refine radius or time window to narrow results. Once initial results appear, cross-check timestamps and accuracy indicators to understand confidence and why the location may be approximate. Finish by saving results. Export coordinates and timestamp for records, and if needed, call the number to validate proximity. Make sure to interpret the accuracy meter. Some results are cell tower-based and may be imprecise. If the lookup fails, first confirm app permissions, stable internet, and that the carrier supports lookups. If problems persist, restart the app, retry a different lookup type, or contact support. This resolves most permission or API quota issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.